Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to enable picture-in-picture for YouTube. So let's get straight into it. iOS 14 only. And yeah, let's go. First thing first, open up settings, scroll down, tap on general. Once you get into general, tap on picture-in-picture. Tap on start PiP automatically. Enable that. Go back to the home screen. Go to your web browser. Once you get to your web browser, in the search bar at the top, search up youtube.com. Once you get here, what you want to tap on is the two A's at the top in the search bar. Once you tap on the two A's in the search bar, tap on request desktop website. Once you do that, and once YouTube loads up, search up the video that you want to watch. Okay, once that's done, once you got the video that you want to watch, just tap on it. Play the video. Go back into the home screen. And there you go. It should work 100%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I see you all in the next one. Peace. See ya. Bye-bye.